Well, I started to do the LS thing, but I thought, man, you know, everybody does that. They're a little more finicky, a little more trouble, but I think they're cool. Robert Jennings from Oldsmobile, Tennessee. My daddy was a body man, and I done body work for a living. Kind of took my love for cars and made a job out of it, you know what I mean. I've had that car there about 15 years. It's a 61 bubble top, which the bubble tops, the Chevrolet had them, Oldsmobile had them, Buick had them, and Pontiac had them. But nobody fools with those much. You know, you see a lot of Chevrolets, but you just don't see those Oldsmobiles. We stripped it down the bare metal, took everything apart on it. I even took a quarter panels off of it because they're a little rusty, and sandblasted behind them, welded them back on. You know, it took a long time. Just a lot of sanding, a lot of blocking, you know. Left the 394 engine in it. Of course, it didn't have those 3 2-barrels on it from the factory. I put them in it. It was an automatic car to start with, and we put a Tremec 5-speed in it. And done disc brake conversion. It's got disc brakes on the front. It had drum brakes all the way around to start with. But other than that, it's pretty much, the body lines, it's all stock. There were some little emblems here that said Dynamic 88. That's about the only body mod that's been done to it. It took me like 8 years to build it, you know, on and off. Didn't work on it all the time. It sat in the shop, and we'd work on it when we could, you know. But you got to fix other people's cars first. I'm retired, so this is probably my last build. I'm probably just going to keep it, ride it, and enjoy it, more than likely. Unless somebody wants it a whole lot worse than I do.